How to turn on or turn off calendar week numbers on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on apps. Next, scroll down and in here we tap on calendar. Now in here, tap on week numbers. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch off week numbers. So here if I turn it on and then if I go and open up my calendar app, you can see on the left hand side column on the left hand side here on the calendar, it shows the week number. So here we are in week 3 of January 2025. So if you don't like to display the week numbers, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off and that will be removed from your calendar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.